So could you give the folks at home a little bit of a 101 on vibe coding and how you brought your idea to life?
Absolutely. So I was a little bit overwhelmed at first because even though I have been using Claude for a while, I also use ChatGPT. Like I kind of have switched between the two loyalty wise, depending on what I needed to do more of. Because there was a long time where, for me at least, ChatGPT was a lot better at working with data. So there's been different times I've moved between both. You can learn these tools really quick. But I basically am using Claude Code to build the websites that I've been building. So you download like a package into your computer. Um, you essentially connect it to your terminal in your computer. Now I can say hi and I can speak to it in natural language and it codes for me. So again, don't know how it did that, but it's in there. It's in my terminal now. So I know there's also Claude Cowork. I really want to try that next, but I haven't used it. I'm also a little bit more scared to use it because I'm scared of it deleting files, but I think I need to play with that next. But I use Claude Code for this.
So that's the absolute healthy level of skepticism you should be having with these, I think, because you're someone who's
Yeah.
accepting that you do not know how to code yourself. So
Yeah.
giving this thing unfettered access is
I know.
not the best.
I'm like, I don't want to have access to everything. I've been seeing people post the Claude bot stuff and like it's like answering their texts for them and it's getting all messed up. I'm like, okay, I'm not doing that. Like that's stupid. I would definitely use a burner or something.
The head of safety, super intelligence
I
at
saw
Meta,
this. That's crazy.
like
Gave
of
it
all the
access
people
to
to be
all of
making
her
these mistakes,
computer. I was lolling at that. Like, that was really funny. I was also like, she's a real one to be posting that on her main account. Like, I mean, okay, that's at least it's transparent, you know?
radical transparency. Is there a win to be had in this case? Debatable.
Entertaining, at least.
You mentioned that you have websites, not just a website. So could you tell us about the other one too?
Yeah, I mean, this is my personal website. I've been meaning to put up a personal website for years. I've bought my own domain before. It's just emilymanzer.com. But I would get to like these website builders and I was like, I just of all the things on my plate, I don't want to drag and drop boxes and then be like trying to figure out exactly. I think honestly also part of what I was struggling with for a long time was that I didn't feel like I could encapsulate my career or like what I was doing in a website. I was always doing a lot of writing. I was always like making short form video or YouTube videos outside of work. And I was like, is this website for my creative projects? Is this website for work? And it's like trying to get marketing clients. And I was just like, I don't know, like this feels like I'm too young to make this decision. Like, like I was like, I don't know what this website should be because I feel like when you're young and you're figuring out what you're doing, it would change. Like my job would change all the time. I'd be given a different contract, a different opportunity. There'd be layoffs. There'd be layoffs. There'd be layoffs. Like I've been working in tech, so it's just like it felt like I couldn't clearly, succinctly say what I was doing. Maybe that's a me problem, but having this Claude Code made it so that I came up with a much more fun concept, which is like a little old school looking video game style website. And it has like little pop up boxes and it shows my creative projects. It's just a one page thing and it's so cute. I was inspired by someone on Twitter who posted hers. I don't know her name, but she posted like it was a video game inspired personal website. And I was like, wait, I can do this. And it was so fast and it's so fun. Like I had a lot of fun building it actually. So I was saying online the other day, I was like, I'm having more fun online than I have in years.